Good morning, children. Hello, everyone. I hope you all very safe. Now we are going to see the recap session of previous chapter, Introduction to Computers. What is a computer? Computer is defined as an electronic machine. What does the computer do? The computer gets data as an input, works on the data, and gives the information as output. So it gets the data from the user, process on the given data, and gives the processed data as an output. Next, hardware and software. Computer consists of two major elements. They are hardware and software. What is in hardware? Computer hardware refers to the parts of a computer that you can touch and feel. Example, keyboard. So, in our body, we have eyes, nose, mouth, hands, and legs. As the same, computer also have physical parts to do some specific work. So, these are the examples of hardware: monitor, CPU, speaker, keyboard, printer, and mouse. Next, we are going to see software. Computer software is a set of instructions for a computer to perform specific work. Example, games which you play on the computer. So these two are the games which will be on the computer. It is a gaming software which is used to play games on the computer. Next, these two are the examples of software. Windows games. Jumpstart is a game on the computer. Internal view of a CPU. This is the internal parts of a CPU. The abbreviation of CPU is Central Processing Unit. CPU also known as brain of the computer. In our body, we have internal organs such as heart, liver, kidney, etc. As the same, in CPU, there will be internal parts to do some specific task. Next, categories of hardware. Hardwares are categorized into three types. They are input devices, processing devices, and output devices. First, we are going to see the input device. The input devices are used to give input to the computer. Example, keyboard. Through keyboard, we can give input to the computer. Next, processing devices. Processing devices are used to process the input data. Example, CPU, Central Processing Unit. It is used to process on the given data. Next, output devices. The output devices are used to show the result. It is used to display the processed information. Example, monitor. Next one, this is the real-time example. See, here clay is considered as an input and child is considered as a computer. So, we have given the clay to the child, that is input, and the child is making a toy using the given clay, that is processing. At last, he made a toy using the clay, that is known as output. Next, categories of software. Software is categorized into two types: system software and application software. First, we are going to see the application software. Application software is used to do some specific work. Example, Pebble Pace. This gaming application is used to play games on the computer. Next, system software. System software is a set of instructions used to run a computer's hardware and application software. Example, Windows. Through Windows, we can able to run the hardware and application of the computer. So kindly utilize this video for your revision, children. With this, I am ending the session. Thank you, students.